welcome to a new video. Today I am, hold on. Alright, today I'm gonna be, this is me using my PC screen recorder for the first time. Sorry about that noise in the background. I don't know if you can hear it in video, but yeah. So I'm just gonna be doing a tutorial on HTML, cause why not? It's a coding language. I mean, if you want to know how to do it, how to code on it, if you search up HTML, you'd obviously want to learn how to do it. So yeah. I made the screen smaller on this, so yeah. I don't know why, but yeah. So it's like cool. Alright. So I'm gonna go to sololearn.com to just do this. It's easier. Now since it is smaller, like I made the screen smaller, I should have made it bigger. Whatever, I'll just do that next video. You can't see the run thing, but if you go to sololearn.com, you log in or make an account, you should see when you go to free code or whatever it's called, code playground. You should see on the bottom run and then save, and you can save it and run it on your account if you want, but whatever. I'm just going to be teaching how the code say on HTML. Oh yeah, and CSS and JS. Not that much on these. I'm just gonna, or maybe I might not. I might just do HTML. I don't know, cause like CSS is gonna be just how to do a background, and on JS it's just gonna be like how to, yeah. So you can obviously pick a bunch of different like Python 3, Java, all this stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna do HTML / CSS and JS. They also have jQuery. It's the same thing, except it's a little bit different. Like they have that. For some reason, every time I do jQuery, then that pops up in HTML. Whatever. Just do HTML / CSS / JS. And if you're on a phone, just download the app. Anyways, so first, honestly, if you want to type in a word, you just type it in. Like you don't need to like type in subscribe to me. And then if I press the run button, you'll see it if you're on the website, or if you're like actually using a legit program, like you have the HTML installed, like Sublime Text or something, then you just run it from there. But I'm just gonna be doing this on Sololearn. I don't know why, but I am. And also it says subscribe to me. It's because I wrote that down. No code needed. Simple. So you just use Word, because I don't see why you would even want to code something like that. Like this is meant to code games or whatever, not a whole sentence. So yeah. But let's say I want this to be in the center, and then I do, I'll just type in text, and then it's in the center. And here's the thing: if you do it capitalized, wherever in the code, it'll still, like, let's say you want it bigger, right? Text. You have it capitalized, you want it bigger. You could just, what you do is you go here, you do, I delete all this. You do strong. Alright, that should pop up. Now you do text, and it'll look, it's big, it's like that. Now it's like it's bold basically, and you can do that lowercase. Oh, let's also say you want it to be in the center and bold, so you do center. There's also another way to code in center. I just type in center and it works. So you don't have to have it capital if you're doing it strong, and then it's in the center and that, so you can do more than one at once, just to let you know. So if you find out any more, I'm actually going to try to edit this video, maybe not when I post it, maybe like an hour after I post it, maybe? No, like maybe like a day, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I might not edit it at all, and I'll just use the screen recorder. I don't know. now that I did that, I'm going to I don't know, there's a lot of lines of code. I know that code's something I might do a part 2, because I don't want this video to be like really long, but I don't want it to be like super short, so that's the problem. I'm also using like a headset that came with this computer. I don't know if it came with it or not, but I'm just using like a really bad headset. I mean, like, it's okay, it's just like I'd prefer using like a PlayStation mic, but my PlayStation mic, you can't hear out of it, you can't talk out of it, so like it's broken. It was like $30, but for a PlayStation mic, apparently that's cheap, because when I get like an expensive one, it never breaks. But like the 31 broke like right away, because I never used it. But I had it for a long time, but I never used it, so I don't see why it would break. Whatever, I don't know. I'm going to stop talking about that. Anyways, if you want to do a horizontal line, you do that and HR. And now that you do that, you get that. And you can actually do a bunch. So HR. Like, I want to get like a real mic, like a microphone you can talk into. Like, I don't even, like, hold on, let me just focus on this. Alright, so now I have a bunch of horizontal lines. And that's basically it. And you can also add text, like, hi. And this is, I'm gonna do the background very quick. So it's simple. You just do background. And then you do that, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And then you go to, you search color picker on Google, and you get this. Or maybe it works on Microsoft Edge. I don't know. Just use Google. I recommend that. So then you can just type in like green. Let's say I want green as a background, and you can also like do dark green, light green. But let's say like you can't get shade, like all these different kind of shades. So let's say you want a certain shade like this. So you go here, you copy and paste that, and then you just delete this. So now I have mint green-ish, kind of. Or I wonder if you can type in mint green. That doesn't matter, because like you can get the exact shade you want with this. See, the problem with doing it normally, like, it's not that hard to just do color picker, and then like I want yellow. I want this exact shade of yellow. Copy. Paste. Hold on, that doesn't work. Why? Hold up. Okay, I don't know why that doesn't work. But you get the point. Like, you can just do any back. Oh, I did it twice. That's the problem. Like the number twice. Copy? No, paste. I want to paste. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I'll just copy, paste. Alright, now it should work. Yeah, same shade. Can tell here and then here. So that's basically how you do a background. That is kind of an ugly color though, so I'm just gonna delete that. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this open. No, I don't need it for maybe I do for some part in the tutorial. That's my profile on Solo Learn. If you want to follow me, I have a HTML certificate on it. It's not real, obviously. It's just like you did all the lessons on HTML here. So yeah, I did some Python and PHP and Ruby, a bunch of other ones. But I think I'm just gonna stick with like JS and like web development. Okay, I'll do C and C++ and some Java, but other than that, I'm happy with HTML, CSS, and JS. Yeah. I don't know why I said yeah like that, but So yeah, and if you obviously are on Sublime Text, this isn't gonna show up straight away. So you just yeah, I don't know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because you would obviously know to type that in. Okay, now I my throat hurts for talking this much. I don't normally talk this loud in any videos. I'm actually trying to make this a good video. I'm gonna try to edit it. Maybe before I post it, like a couple minutes maybe after I post it, a day after I post it. I'm gonna try to make it good. So I'll just run this so that's not there. Now, wow, I forgot how to do that. It was something where it pops up there. I actually forgot how to do that. Wow. Wow. I just look at someone else's code. Oh, by the way, on this website, you can see other people's code that they posted. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I don't know. I'm just gonna Maze Runner game. Maybe it has that there. No. Oh yeah. Okay, I saw it in the code. So you go here and then you type in a alert. I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. And then you type in what you want it to say up there. I want it to say hi. Run. And this says hi. Okay. I forgot how to do that for a minute. It's kind of embarrassing. Cause like I have the HTML certificate. I mean, this is JS, but still, it's one line of code. That's like really simple. Well, obviously, you can make it say whatever you want with the code there. I'm not gonna do like player movement and all that confusing stuff just yet. I might do videos on that later. I might do a notepad video. So let me leave all this. So I'm going to first off show you some notepad codes. This is a quiz, level 1. You type in 1, then enter. Intro is 2 and enter. It's the same thing, just yeah. And then there's exit, which obviously X's. So I'm gonna start from level 1. What is your name? Okay, it's Eric. Who has more subs? Obviously T-Series has more subs. PewDiePie used to have more, but if he ever gets more subs again, I'm gonna edit this. Like, I don't really make new games. I'm working on a quiz part 2, but like, I don't know. It's like simple. It's like, cause I just keep thinking about it, and it's really easy to make a quiz game on this if you think about it. But I don't want to just keep making quiz games. I want to make player movement. Like this snake, I like copy and pasted the code into Notepad and then made it running. But like, I didn't code it. Okay, it's not fun if you don't code it. Yeet versus oof. I don't know why I did that. Did I make this? Yes. What's that? I used a calculator to figure out what the answer was, so then I could have one of those be the correct one. Press 2. This 2 plus 2, 4. Yes. 3. Why am I working on the second game? Yes. That. Last level. So then it's that. It says, wow, that was easy. If you're a YouTuber, title this video quiz made by Eric, and my YouTube channel is Network Gaming with coding profile pics. So you scroll down and you'll actually see my channel, because obviously, like, I'm probably gonna change my name of my channel, because it, like, I swear to God, like, I search it on YouTube and it's not gonna be there, and I can go to menu or I can exit. So yeah, and I'll give you the source code if you want to, and then when you do it, you just save it and you call it whatever you want, but at the end you have to have .bat after you do that. And then when you do that, you want to just copy in. You can just type this in. Like, this will be a little source code here. You just pause the video if you need to, obviously. Alright, yeah. So yeah, that's it basically. Cause I would just recommend somehow copy and pasting it, but you can't really. So I could just add it in the link of the description. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy the code. And I'm gonna paste it in the description when I do. I just Alright, I'm gonna stop recording after I copy and paste this, and then you guys can make rename it to. You can like make it whatever you want on Notepad when you save it. But remember, make it be .bat at the end. If you don't, that's not gonna work. Or maybe I might. I don't think it will. Why did I go to Google? What am I doing again? Okay, okay. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.